Well, it's raining outside, so this gives me the opportunity to talk about this particular visit, my third trip to Northern Ireland, and this time I'm based at Newcastle in County Down. It's in the shadow of the Mourne Mountains. I was hoping to go up the highest, over 2,700 feet above sea level, but I think I'm getting a little bit too old for that. I'm going to blame the weather, but the previous day I was planning to do the walk. I did walk 15 miles along the beach, and I got some good pictures actually. This forms the third of my series of programs about Northern Ireland. 2 are done already. Belfast has been published already, and the Causeway Coast, which will include the Giant's Causeway, is coming out in October. This particular program, I doubt, will see daylight, that's if I can get out there incidentally, will see daylight until the end of the year, possibly the new year. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and pray for a bit of sun so that I complete the program and hopefully publish it on time.